How to send money on iPhone by tapping. To get started, first of all go ahead and swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open the control center. Here, long press on any empty area of the control center until a minus sign appears on each icon. And then, tap on Add a Control below as shown. You can now search for or choose a control from here to add it to the control center. From here, search for Cash and tap on the Tap to Cash icon in the Wallet app. The Wallet app organizes your cards and Apple Cash in one place for quick access. As you can see, you have now added this icon to your control center. Now, tap on the Tap to Cash icon to proceed with your payment. Here, you can also see your balance along with clear options, including send and request. Following these steps, you can easily send money on iPhone by tapping. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.